What's up guys, welcome back. Gonna jump straight into the exhaust on this one. You can see behind me here, got the exhaust in the box from Techtonics Tuning. So let's unbox this thing, lay it out, and I'll show you guys what I've got. So this is the Techtonics Tuning exhaust for the Mk1 Rabbit, and they sell a kit for the VR6 swap, so it's a full bolt-in affair. I went with a 2 1/4 inch option. Looking on the interwebs, everybody was saying that the 2 1/4 inch is the best option for this engine. Naturally aspirated, no performance mods. I have one resonator and one muffler, so that should not be too loud, but should still give that nice VR6 Wookiee noises. So starting at the front, you can see a bunch of gaskets and clamps. I have the downpipes. You can see I've already wrapped those in some heat tape. I had some left over from when I did the downpipe on the GTI, so I thought I'd throw it on there, why not? Moving down to the midsection, there's a resonator, a couple of extra pipes to get it up and over the rear beam, MagnaFlow muffler with the tailpipe. I'll have to find a nice tip to put on that, but there we go, there it is. So the downpipe is in. I just went to battle with one of the studs coming off of the manifold. Don't know if you remember, go back to like the second episode I did. I said one of the studs on the manifold was a little chewed up and I was gonna replace it. Well, guess what? I never did. So I was cleaning it up with a Dremel, trying to just remove some material, remove some threads. I had a thread tap on the bolt just to try and loosen that up a little bit, and I managed to get it most of the way on, but kind of the last half a turn, one turn, it didn't want to go. I knew if I cranked on any harder I was going to snap that stud, and I did not want to replace that stud, so I backed it back off. I just spaced it with a washer and it went on nice and tight. So let me show you that. That one stud right there, you can see the end of it's a little chewed up and it's spaced out with a washer, but it has enough threads to hold it on, and we can move on to the rest of the exhaust. That was hard work, but the exhaust is in. Check it out. So, downpipes, nice and solid, coming along through the midsection. Resonator up and over the axle, doesn't hit anything. hanger at the back, magnaflow muffler, tailpipe coming out. You can see it's nice and level, and all the hangers are done up nice and snugly. I tried to orient the hangers so you don't really see them. These hangers are kind of ugly. I much prefer the band clamp ones, but these came with the kit, so they will have to do. Does hang down a little low in the middle, but it is solid. Just need to plug in the O2 sensor, and I am calling the exhaust done. So once again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you next time.